Hello everyone, welcome back to NextGen-Networkers. In this video, we are going to understand Unicast, Multicast, and Broadcast. Let's start with a very simple topology. We have one switch and three PCs. PC1, PC2, and PC3. All are connected to the same switch. This is enough to understand everything. Unicast means one-to-one communication. First, let's understand Unicast. Unicast means one sender and one receiver. Now look at this. PC1 wants to send data to PC2. So PC1 already knows the MAC address of PC2. So what does the switch do? The switch checks its MAC address table. It sees PC2 MAC address is on this port. So the switch sends the packet only to PC2. And PC3 does not receive anything. This is Unicast. Very simple. One device talks to one device only. Real example. Browsing a website. SSH connection. File download, etc. Now next is multicast one-to-many and not to all. Now let's understand multicast. Multicast means one sender and selected receivers but not everyone. Let's see the example. PC1 sends video stream to only PC2 and PC3 who have joined the multicast group. So what does the switch do? It sends the traffic only to members and not to everyone. PC2 gets it, PC3 gets it, and no any other PC. PC4 will not receive anything, no traffic. Examples of multicast: IPTV, live video streaming, online classes, video conferencing. Next is broadcast one-to-all. Now let's talk about broadcast. Broadcast means one sender and everyone receives. Example: PC1 sends an ARP request. PC1 says, "Who has this IP address?" Now the switch does not know who has that IP. So what does the switch do? It sends the packet out of all ports. PC2 receives it. PC3 and PC4 also receives it. Everyone receives it. This is broadcast. Important points. Broadcast is necessary, but too much broadcast is dangerous. That's why VLANs, STP, proper design are very important. Final summary. So remember, Unicast one-to-one, broadcast one-to-all, multicast one-to-many. Traffic flow decides network performance. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to NextGen Networkers. See you in the next one.